Okay, folks, we're going to try this again. This is your pre-opening comment for 9/11, video number 2244. Asia slightly lower. Europe basically mixed. The big number today, CPI, came in at pretty much as expected, up 0.2 on a month-over-month basis, 2.6 versus 2.9 on a year-over-year basis. Core was up 0.3, a little bit hotter than expected, but the year-over-year number 3.2 versus 3.2. The stock futures were lower last night after the debate. This morning at 8 o'clock, Dow was down 105. At 8:30, before the number came, it was down 121. After the number, it was down as much as 300, but popped back up to down about 200, which is around where it is right now. S&P was down 8 to down 22 to down 28 to down about 18 right now. The NASDAQ was a little bit calmer, down 29, down 86, down 70, down 48, actually up about $4 right now. So that one has bounced around, but really not doing much of anything. Dow is currently down 130. NASDAQ is now up 36. And the S&P is down just $2. Chart on the screen is the dollar, which bounced off the low after the number came out. The reason for that, I'm assuming, is the fact that the bonds started to move lower. They are currently down 13.30 seconds. I've seen them a little bit lower. Down about half a point. Same situation with the 10-year coming back a little, and the 5-year also coming back a little. Oil is up $1.25. The entire complex is up, including the nat gas. This is based not on any economic news, but the fact that Hurricane Francine looks like it's headed for landfall in the Gulf, and that will cause disruptions in both production and deliveries. And when you have a market as tight as the one that we have, these things tend to be kind of short term, but they can get pretty much out of hand. Grains are slightly higher, but still sitting around the lows. The gold is down 5.5. I have seen it down a little bit lower than that. Silver is up 30 cents. Copper is up 6 cents. Cotton up about $1 and change, coffee down $3, sugar up 36 cents, which is not a small move at 19.13. Cocoa up another 400, and orange juice down a little, but up here at 486, it's still pretty damn expensive. As far as other news, corporate news, we really don't have a whole lot. Bank of America owner Berkshire Hathaway sold another 6 million shares. GameStop beat by 13 cents but missed on revenues. And the stock is down 10%. Dave & Buster's beat by 28 cents, reported revenues in line, and although comparable store sales decreased 6.3%, the stock is up $4 or 14%. And Albemarle is the outstanding one in the lithium space. Most of the names are lower pre-market on a report of CATL, the Chinese wanting to adjust their lithium production. But Albemarle is 85.20, and that's up 658 or 8.4%. Dow currently down 135, NASDAQ up 35, and the S&P is down 277. Tomorrow we have PPI. Be careful out there, folks. It may look calm, but I think we still have a downward bias here.